What is up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, Keith's TV HD. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the digital key, which is going to reside, if you've downloaded this, which is going to reside within the Remote Connect app that you can download off of the App Store from either Android, which is what I have here, or an iPhone. Now, the digital key is not a replacement. That's going to be the theme for this video. The digital key is not a full replacement for the actual key fob. Again, the digital key is going to reside within the Toyota Remote Connect app on your smartphone. And the reason I say that the digital key is not a replacement for this is because this key fob right here actually has a physical key inside of it, which you can still open that driver door with. Now, say if the power or something goes out in the vehicle and the buttons on here don't work, you can still open that door with this physical key, which resides in this key fob, which is nice. And okay, I would still take, if you're using your digital key, I would still take this as a backup. Now, you can disable this. You can put this to sleep. You can just hit the lock button. You can hit it, basically you hold it down and then you hit the unlock button twice while you're still holding the lock button down. That will put this key fob to sleep, so you can still just use the digital key. Now, again, the digital key is not a full replacement, of course, because the key fob has an actual physical key in it. With that being said, now, this right here, the digital key that's in here, I mean, it's on an app, the Toyota Remote Connect app. Suppose that app becomes unresponsive, or you crack your screen or your smartphone and you can't get to that app. And if you don't have the key fob with you, you're SOL, you could be SOL. So I would always bring the backup, this key fob right here is a backup to use. You can still take both of these with you, but you can disable this, put this to sleep, as I just show you how to do that. You can keep it in your pocket or your purse, bag, or whatever, and just still use your digital key. And if you have a problem, again, if you crack your screen or the app on here becomes, the Toyota Remote Connect app becomes unresponsive, then you can just pull out your actual key fob as a backup. So, in a nutshell, just if you want to rock your digital key, still bring your key fob with you. All right, that's all I wanted to say for this video. Peace out, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.